Alright, this is the AE86 Heater Core. I've already taken out the metal clips that hold these pieces together in half. We're going to be replacing the foam here after we wash it out. And there's not much we can do with that rust in there. There's more foam in here, so we can only get access to that once when we split this apart in half. First, we're gonna remove all of the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those 5 screws hold that piece together, and then you can split it apart. So I have my assistant here with me today, and she'll start unscrewing out these. Alright, so while Bree is cleaning on that, this is some of the old foam that belongs on the plastic hamster wheel. And so it's still in good condition, but I mean, eventually it's gonna rip apart. Since we already have this apart, might as well replace it. I have some quarter inch sealing foam here that is perfect for this application. Besides, this middle part is a little bit different, so that will be custom cut. My best helper.